With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If we talk about this question, this given question is explain the following term, and the given term is sliding friction. Okay, so we have to explain what exactly is the sliding friction. So whenever two blocks are sliding over each other, then sliding friction comes into action, and this is a force which opposes sliding. Force which opposes sliding. Okay, so what exactly I am saying? Suppose there are two blocks. Okay, let this be the block A. Okay, and there is another block B which is under the block A. Okay, so let this is block A and this is block B. Suppose these two blocks are sliding. This is going into right hand side and this one is going into left hand side. This one is going into left hand side. Okay, then in this situation, frictional force will arise and this will try to oppose the sliding. Okay, so therefore the frictional force will try to stop the block A from moving on the right hand side. So the frictional force on A will try to act in left hand side. Okay, similarly on the block B, since the block B is moving on left hand side, so the frictional force between A and B will try to move the block B in the right hand side or stop it. So this sliding friction will come in action and will act on right hand side on the block B. Okay, so basically what exactly is the sliding friction? So sliding friction is the force which comes into picture when two bodies are sliding against each other, and this will try to stop or oppose sliding. I hope you understood. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.